Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your Jabra Elite 7 active in case they got stolen or you can't find them. And to do this they need to be paired with Jabra Plus app, and I shown you how to do that previously. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the app, and when your headset is enabled, you'll be able to click on Find My Jabra, activate, go for the phone settings because we'll need to allow location service. And currently I have no location data stored on this device, but Find My Jabra will save the location of your device when it disconnects, so you can ping it last time it was online. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.